Hello, welcome back. In this video I'm going to optimize Google My Business GMB profile description. So let's go to our main dashboard. So for this job we are trying to, here you can see using ChatGPT, business name, location, main keyword and USP, and I use a prompt. Here you can see I use a prompt, give me a description within 750 character based on the above information for my Google business profile and also local SEO optimize. Okay, so here business name, location, founder, year, category, main service, service area, top keyword and USP. Okay, just copy this one and paste a ChatGPT. Okay, and here you can see they give a description. Okay, just try to copy this one, and we are using, I'm going to go my business profile and try here description and try to paste here and save this one, and very simply we have write a description, and this will be optimized description. If you use this, if you study about this Google My description, then you can understand character limit is will be 750. Okay, so however in this way you can optimize your Google My description using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this video.